Welcome to another video. In this video we'll show you how to sort your records from Salesforce in a table. So in this instance what we'll do is we'll bring a bunch of records and I'll show you how to assign sorting on each of the fields or all the fields within a table. So let's say we get a table. We choose our object. Now for me I'll choose opportunity. We'll bring it up to like 50 records, click next, no conditions, click next again, and we'll bring back some fields. Name, we'll do stage, and we'll do amount. Once I bring back my table, like this, click save, let's look at some results. Now here are my results, quite a long list. I'd love to be able to click on these section headers here and be able to just sort them from lowest to highest and ascending to descending. So what I can do is click on the table, go to the gear icon, go over to interactivity, and then check allow sorting. Now you can sort on one field or you can sort on multiple fields. So let's just enable name and stage for now. Click save, let's refresh. You'll notice if I click on name, nothing really happens in terms, well, actually I did enable name, so name you can see sorting does work, but for amount it doesn't. So here I can sort from A, B, C up to U, and same with the stage, I can sort them. And this one, and just when you click on the table, click on the gear icon, go over to interactivity. Now I'm going to choose amount, and this one's a perfect example because you can now go from highest to lowest. So now when the amount loads, I can just go click on here and say, okay, well this is lowest to highest, and then do sorting again, highest to lowest. It's these arrows right next to the headers that's what's called allow sorting, and yeah, that's how you configure it.